Okay, it's Power Chi time again. Spring is here. You want the body to look fit and good out there. When you're walking around in that shorts and bikini, you know what I mean? It's Power Chi technique. You condition the inside of the arms, the inside of the thighs. You know those stubborn areas that gives you problem? It's hard to get rid of, hard to tone up. Power Chi is good for that. Yes, man, it's time to work some Power Chi technique. So, this one is called palm circle. Let's start now. So, you want to take a good stance back. You know, like the warrior pose in yoga, but in Power Chi, this is a martial art position. Then you take this hand and put it just behind the knee. Just behind the knee. Knees should be behind the toe. And notice how this back foot is long. The hip is into the ground. You see that? All right, so you should feel it back here, inside of the thigh. Right? Then you're going to take the hand and you're going to extend it out. And as you extend it out, you bring it up. All the way up, pull the abdomen in. And watch the hand goes back. Now you will notice, as I go forward, this hand acts as a brace to support the small of the back. This is not just an arm exercise, but it's also a waist exercise. It's good for conditioning the waist, pulling and streamlining the waist, small of the back. So let's start then, huh? You're in your warrior pose? You got it? You're ready to rock with me? To burn with some Power Chi now? Okay, so let's do about 10 slow, and then we'll speed up and do, say, 20 medium pace. Huh? Let's start then. This is 1. Keep the tummy in. Don't forget to breathe. 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, that was the first 10 slow. And you turn to the other side and you do the same thing. This is your warm-up to begin with. 1, 2, 3. Notice I'm braced. 3, 4. Reach. 5. Reach. 6. Reach. 7. 8, 9, and 10. That should get you going. You should feel it in the legs, arms, waist. Let your waist do the movement. This is Power Chi, baby. Yes, man, it's time to work some Power Chi. Get in shape for the spring. So you can look good for the summer. Let's get it going then, huh? All right. Sink into it. Get that posture deep. Back leg straight. 20. 1. A little faster. 2. 3. 4. Keep your back straight. 6. 7. 8. Hit that high point. 9. 10. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, oh yeah, 20. 5 more. 1, 2, keep that hand straight. 4, don't bend the elbow. 5, 6, I lied. 7, 8, 9, 30. Turn quick. Stay with me. We're doing Power Chi. Stretching the thigh. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, reach, 2, reach, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, oh yeah, 4, watch the hand, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. That should get the legs circulation, and the legs stimulated, condition the back of the legs, inside of the thigh. That's the Power Chi exercise technique for conditioning. Oh yeah, man, this is good stuff. Check me out at PowerChiEnergetics.com.
Wanna get in shape? You need Power Chi. Yes, man.